So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how you can earn up to $500 per day, literally just copy and pasting.
In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make $300 online just by typing names. And the best part about this method, it's completely free. You don't need any money and it's worldwide. You can do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have a laptop and as long as you can do some typing.
In today's video, we are gonna be talking about how to earn $260 per week just by searching Google.
It's easy, they tell you. All you need is your phone and internet. They show you screenshots as proof of payments they are already receiving.
And you can see right here another $250 payment on PayPal, another $250 payment, another $250 payment.
They promise you that after finishing to watch their video, you will be able to quit your job and become your own boss.
Hello? Oh yeah, hey boss. No, I decided I don't want you breathing down my neck. Your hot, fiery breath stinks. I can't take it anymore, and I quit. I quit. Yeah, no, there's no going back. I'm done. I quit.
Is all of that true? Why is making money online a trend these days? Is making money online easy as they say? How can you differentiate the true and legit method from the sketchy and fake ones? This video is a blueprint on how to make money online. It's going to answer those questions and give you a step-by-step guide on where to start and what to do. Spoiler alert, making money online is hard. It requires skills and time. So sit back and watch this to the end. I guarantee you, it's worth your while.
People want to know how do you make money online, and I'm here to tell you. See, the real way to make money online is to make how to make money online videos. That's how you make money online. Confused? I know. Let me explain. See, if you watch people who know how to make money online, what are they doing? Well, they're making how to make money online videos, leading to the inexorable conclusion that the only way to make money online is to make how to make money online videos. It's basic math.
The ultimate reason people make the how to make money online videos is to make money. You don't believe it yet? Look at how big and fast the how to make money online niche is growing on YouTube. Look at the number of the how to make money online creators and the huge audience their videos have. Surprisingly, advertisers spend a huge amount of money on every video about making money. That is the only reason why the so-called experts keep telling you it's easy to make money online. That it doesn't require any experience. They want everyone who wants to make money to watch their videos. Who wants to make easy money? Everyone. The more people who watch their videos, the more money they earn. Think about this for a second. Malcolm Gladwell popularized the idea that to master any craft, you need at least 10,000 hours of practice. Let's assume that it's as simple as he said. How come that this how to make money online experts master a new way of making money every week to teach you? If making money online is that easy, why are there poor people? Because they can't access Wi-Fi or because they are stupid? I don't know about you, but for me, I can conclude that most of these experts cannot be practicing what they preach. I can assure you, they are trading your time to make money. It's simple math. The more time you spend watching their videos every day, the more ads you watch, the more money they make. Is it possible to make money online? Of course, it's possible. But it doesn't require some simple steps. In the following parts of this video, I'm going to dive deeper into what you need to do to make money online. Keep this in mind. It's not easy. It requires efforts and time. Making money online requires the same principles as making money outside the internet. It's all about solving a problem and the perceived value of the problem you're solving by the market. Can you solve anything without knowledge? That is impossible. That's why you need to master at least one craft. And the online world pays handsomely for intellectual works more than the physical ones. How do you choose the craft to master? Remember, this video is about how to make money online. So, you need to learn high income skills to earn a lot. To know which high income skills you need to master, let's visit one of the biggest online marketplaces for freelancers. Fiverr.com. Here is graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio production, programming and tech, and many more. It's up to you to choose. Now you've chosen the skills you want to learn. How are you going to learn them? Easy. All you need is on the internet. You can choose between learning for free or to take a paid course. Which way do you choose? Let's say you want to learn your craft for free. YouTube creators are so generous. Type in the search bar whichever topic you want to learn. Then pick a creator to teach you. Let's take an example. I want to start learning graphic design. Let me start by learning how to use pro design software, let's say Adobe Photoshop. I simply go to YouTube and type in the search bar Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Voila! I have an endless video list to choose from. Unfortunately, the route of learning skills for free by watching YouTube tutorials is the hardest. You'll be watching random videos. By luck, you will find a creator who arranged the playlist for you, but most of the time, the content will be for amateurs. That's why this route may take you longer than taking a paid course. Let's say you choose the other way of paying to get knowledge. There are websites just for that, and most of them don't charge much. If you think that you will need a remote job after mastering your craft, it's better to choose a program that gives a certificate at the end of the course. Some companies require those kinds of certificates to hire you. Here are some websites you can learn from. Udemy.com, Coursera.com, Pluralsites.com, Skillshare.com, LinkedIn Learning, formerly known as Lynda.com. Finally, you've mastered the craft and you're ready to start making money. How do you find a job? Finding a job online is harder than finding a job in your local area. You compete with billions of people around the world, some amateurs and some pros. How do you get a job online? You need to have a track record showing the things you've done. As getting this online is hard, I would recommend you to start in your local area. With the knowledge you learned online, you can start by asking for an internship in your local companies and startups. You can also volunteer in local non-profits. This is much easier. You can ask your friends and family relatives to connect you or to be your referral. Just try your best to get an internship. When you pass this step, you are all set to get a job online. Now you've done the internship, but still, you don't want to continue with a normal job. The idea and freedom of working online cannot get out of your head. What do you do next? You need to choose between becoming an online freelancer or looking for a remote job. Each one of those has its benefits and disadvantages. Freelancers are paid per project or by hour, while remote workers are paid a monthly salary, most of the time with full employees' benefits. If you choose to look for a remote job online, the process is almost the same as looking for a normal job. You need to craft a very convincing resume. Resume writing is out of the scope of this video, but you can find tips and tricks on the internet. Do you think your resume is pretty convincing now? This is the time to start applying for jobs. Like normal jobs, landing a remote job will require you to apply to a huge number of jobs before getting an interview. Try to apply to as many jobs as you can, and remember to customize your resume according to the job you're applying to. To find the jobs to apply to, you can use job listing websites like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed, Career Bliss, and others. What if you get bored quickly? What if you don't like to commit to a monthly job? Then, freelancing is your call. As for finding a job, freelancing requires a resume or a portfolio. This shows the first few clients what you are capable of. To find freelancing jobs, you can use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and others. You need to build a very convincing profile. When you get clients, try your best to satisfy them so that they give you good reviews. Congratulations! You're making money online now. But whether you choose to become a freelancer or to find a remote job, you still need to trade your time in exchange for money. Wouldn't it be good if you created something online that makes money for you even if you're sleeping? Follow the next part carefully. This is the part where we learn how to make an endless monetization loop of your knowledge. We live in a digital age when all eyes are glued to the screens and attention is the holy grail.
I don't give a shit about technology. I care about your attention. Because if I have your attention, if I'm good enough after that point, I can sell you something. It's not confusing. It's not complicated. The problem is, it's hard work.
The more people who give you their attention, the more money we end up making. Do you remember what the How to Make Money Online creators do to make money? They have sneaky ways to grab your attention. They make videos about ways to make money online with clickbait titles, thumbnails, and ridiculously impossible simple tips. That's what you need to do, but differently. You need to turn your knowledge into content. And you need to make content that brings people value. Remember that this is a long-term infinite monetization loop of your knowledge. You need to make evergreen content that people can still watch 50 years from now. How can you do this?
Joe Rogan just got a $100 million deal from Spotify, according to Wall Street Journal.
Hello, everybody. I have an announcement. The podcast is moving to Spotify. I signed a multi-year licensing agreement with Spotify that will start on September 1st. Starting on September 1st, the entire JRE library will be available on Spotify as well as all the other platforms.
Podcasts are becoming very popular. The reason is that they allow their audience to save time. Anyone can listen to a podcast while driving, cooking, working out, or doing any activity. Believe it or not, podcasts are here to stay. Now, back to you. As someone who wants to make money online, podcasting is the easiest and quickest content creation method. All you have to do is to record yourself talking about a topic you're passionate about or interview an expert. Then, you simply upload your content to platforms like Spotify or iTunes. How do you make money with a podcast? Popular podcasts generate thousands of dollars each month through sponsorships. If your show is technical and often features you mentioning resources, affiliate marketing is another option to consider. Some platforms will allow advertisers to run adverts in your show and you split the income. Another way to build an audience on the internet is to produce video content like this one you're watching. With platforms like YouTube and Facebook paying creators to display ads in their videos, you can earn money as you build your audience. Video content is hard to make, but don't worry. Start small. Don't invest in expensive gears. Focus on producing content with value. The more content you produce, the more you learn about your audience needs. The better content you produce and the bigger and faster you grow. Whatever content form you choose to make sure you produce ageless or evergreen content, as I said earlier. You can also make money along the way, as most platforms have partnership programs with content creators. At this point, you've earned money online and you've got an increasing audience. Is your content evergreen? You will be making money even if you're sleeping. Now, it's time to take your earnings to another level. Giant digital platforms are cutting juicy checks for you. But what if I told you that you can be the king now and get all the money without splitting your income with any other platform? Your audience likes you, not Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. They have a cat-like following for you. Wherever you go, they will follow you to the end of the world. You need to give them extra value you are not giving them on existing platforms and charge them money for that. I'm pretty sure they will like it and pay for it. You can start an online masterclass around the topic they like. You can even build a platform tailored exclusively to your niche audience. If your audience is big enough, you will attract advertisers to advertise on your platform. Congratulations! Now you have a blueprint on how to become the next social media mogul. Wanna thank me? Just give this video a thumbs up. I mean, smash that like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All the things I said in this video are not easy as they sound. Like any other thing in life, you need to put in hard work and have persistence. You also need to keep learning because this internet world keeps changing. What else can I tell you, my friend? Have a good one. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.